Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm going to showcase the PeakDo 4K wireless HDMI docking station, wireless HDMI transmitter, and wireless HDMI receiver, along with a desktop dock as well. And this desktop dock can power via wall charger or through rechargeable 18650 batteries, which I'll show you in just a moment. Just to give you an overview of what these have to offer from PeakDo, this is the mmWave 60 gigahertz zero latency package. So you can get these individual devices to work together. Here's some use case scenarios right there. So you have family entertainment system, esports gaming setup, projectors, office meetings, so you can see the different options here. And then we'll go into this really quickly. So that's the difference between the 60 gigahertz and the standard wireless Wi-Fi transmission. This is way faster and there's zero latency, whereas the Wi-Fi has quite a bit of lag, as most people know. And then here's all the products they have on offer. These products are being offered now through a crowdfunding campaign with PeakDo, which the link will be in the social media accompanying these videos. I'll have several out there for you to look at. So there's that. Now we'll get to this desktop unit right here. So you can plug in your USB-C device that can do video transmission. You have two USB ports on the side. Then you have SD card and TF card slot right there. This also closes and it's magnetic. There's a button right there to select the mode. You have your HDMI port and your power delivery port. It also works on batteries, which is really cool when you're doing projection outside with wireless transmission. Underneath the item here, you have the two 18650 batteries that I mentioned earlier. These are lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, so you can use it without the PD fast charger. So that is the desktop unit. See right there, it's on and it's ready to go. If you just plug in a device, it'll start transmitting. And then right here, this is one of the first devices. This is 60 gigahertz 4K HDMI transmission with the HDMI right there. So that's pretty awesome. I've never seen the mmWave products at 60 gigahertz for this with zero lag. That's the most important thing. You can plug these into projectors or directly into your TV from your gaming system as well. Next up is the 4K wireless HDMI docking station. So you have your USB-C port for power, you have another one to plug in, and your PD fast charging if you need to, and then your HDMI plug right there. And then here is the other unit to plug in, and a simple connection button right there, your 5-volt USB-C port. And these work together. That comes in one package. And then right here you have the wireless HDMI receiver. So you use this in conjunction with the transmitters, obviously. You have your HDMI port right there and your 5-volt power port right there. And then you have the on and off button right there. And you can also mount this on a tripod if you need to. This is the wireless HDMI receiver, 60 gigahertz mmWave. They all can handle the 4K with no lag and wireless transmission up to 30 meters, which is pretty amazing. But what I like about this, you can run this on batteries or with a PD charger. And these are all being offered now through crowdfunding, and I'll include that information on the social media links that I have. This is from PeakDo. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.